You've never done a thing for us. But she was there.
Mrs. Stark, wait. I'm not done. Okay, I'm done.
Nothing that you can get done in 3 minutes.
Come on.
Don't start what you can't finish.
What would you have done if I had said yes?
Do I go in?
I don't know. It's never done that before.
It's not what you've done, it's what you're gonna do. I want what you gotta have, Ben. I want that.
3, 2, and we're done.
Mother, why have you done this? Because this is your happy ending.
What? What are we gonna do?
I don't know. Maybe Dicker will find something.
Dicker's done, Bob.
I won't help you, and we're done.
No one's ever done anything like this for me.
Well done. What should I do now?
Run, sir!
Again?
Yes!
Vincent! How are you doing this, Vincent? How have you done any of this?
We are so not done talking about this.
And where do you think you're going?
Now you see what you've done? Because of you, we're all going to miss Stanley.
Where are you going?
Home. I'm done for the day. One more, but then we're done.
You do it. This one.
Okay.
Do you believe now?
I won't kill you after everything you've done.
Because you don't have it in you. Well done, honey.
Let's go.
After all we've been through, I just want to go home.
Don't be like that. Come on, Howard, talk to him.
I'm with Leonard. I'm done.
Well, that can't be right. No one's ever done that before.
Okay, done, but I have to tell you something. They let Roulet go. Mm-hmm. They didn't have enough to hold him. You were right.
That's how it's done.
Oh. Well, if that's how it's done.
It is.
Sorry, I just...
Sorry's not good enough. Maybe you need to take some time and think about what you've done.
You do need help, but you're not gonna get it from me. I think we're done here.
How is that me?
Okay. I'm Chandler.
When have I ever done that?
When have I ever done that?
Mark. We're done for the day.
These gentlemen here will get you out of here, okay?
Oh, thank you. That's very nice.
All right.
Thanks for all you've done, ladies.
Thank you very much.
It may just be the last thing you ever do. Now, who'd like to come and say hello? Well done, Harry. Well done.
Like I've always done. Would you say something? Say something! What would you like me to say?
I don't know if he's done with me, but I just don't know what's going on down here.
Fine. We'll talk. Okay? And when we're done talking, you go away and you leave my family alone.
And done.
I didn't know you were gonna be there.
And what would you have done if you did know?
I'm sorry.
For what?
I'm sorry you had to hear that.
Right. Well done.
No.
No?
That's what I said.
Look, maybe we should go.
No, you guys, you really don't have to go. We're done talking.
Wait, come on, look, I know how you must...
No, you don't, Ross.
We gotta find him. Let's go.
Wait. Is that all?
What do you mean?
No thank you, no well done?
There's two of you? David, what is going on?
Millie? Millie, stay right here.
No!
What have you done? Griffin, where does this thing go?
We gotta go.
David, what did you do?
What do we gotta do to get this done, bro?
Hey, let's go! Come on, man, let's go!
I'm Harry. That girl, I know her. She's done some work for me.
Where are you going?
I thought we were done.
Ay, Dios mío.
It's fine. I know them.
Why are you here? I thought we were done.
All right, I gotta go to work.
No, I'm not done.
All right, we'll just give it back when you're through. Okay, see you guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Rapunzel, I thought I'd never see you again.
Now look what you've done, Rapunzel.